Bike check, 2013 Kink curb frame. S&M slam bars with lizard skin grips, demolition bar ends, the fit across the stem, Kink bolt forks, Odyssey Aiken tire with Alienation PBR rim, Sputnik rewind hub, female axle. Let's see, Mission seat and post combo, DK seat clamp, Mission Cypher sprocket with a KMC chain, and stock Mission Triumph crake arms, Odyssey twisted pedals, let's see, Odyssey Aaron Ross tire, an Alienation PBR rim, laced to a Sputnik rewind back hub. And here's our hub sound. Yeah, that's it.